Remember the good old 1980s, when things were so uncomplicated. I wish I could go back there again, and everything could be the same, same, same.
Today is Blue Monday, the most depressing day of the year, apparently. And today I got this. A Rollei Monkey Pod. Can you see that? Which is the Joby Gorillapod alternative. Look at that. Haven't given it a proper test yet. I thought I'd show you what it's like before I take it on a test run. It looks a bit like another one that you can find on eBay as well. I found this one for $12.99 and it's got a ball head, which is always a good thing on one of these. You need the ball head. You can't buy the Joby Gorillapods without the ball head, because otherwise you'll realise that you need one pretty much straight away from what I've seen. And it is quick release apparently, which is actually quite a nice quick release. You've got two buttons either side, spring loaded, and this just clips right in. It's a nice little attachment there. I thought it was going to be a bit longer, so this is coming in at, what is it, for the legs, they are 9-inch legs, 22 centimeters. With the ball head, comes in at 27 centimeters. And the next one, the sort of equivalent one that I was looking at, is the Gorillapod Zoom, which is the one that's about £60. That one has a length of 31.8 centimeters, so it's about 5 centimeters longer than this one. And then the Focus, the top of the range one from Joby, comes in at 37 centimeters with the ball head as well. So we're taking that into account because this comes with the ball head. And so they're a bit longer, and obviously people are vlogging with them bent like this and holding them there. I think this might still be okay. I'm not sure though. We'll have to test it and find out. There you go. Will it take it? Will it take the A37? Okay, it's on there, it fits. I know some people had issues with fitting their cameras onto the Joby thread because it was slightly bigger, I believe. And then that just goes on to there like that. Cool, right, this is the test. Will it break my camera? No, it seems sturdy. I don't think you'd want to hang something of this weight from it though. I think it's more for compact like the G7X and the RX100. Samsung, just a point and shoot that I got for a holiday a few years ago. Samsung WB150F. What do you think? Is that a decent distance? Let's give it a test. So I am testing the Rollei Monkey Pod using the Samsung WB150F, which is a little point and shoot, and just testing it for the length of this monkey pod to see if it's actually going to be long enough for vlogging or not. And it takes the weight fine. I know this is slightly lighter, I think, than the G7X, etc. But think we're on to a bit of a winner with this one. Instead of paying £60, I only paid £12.99 or whatever it was. Yeah. Excuse the poor quality from this camera. It's only 720, no frills whatsoever.